Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. So today we are going to learn how to create this kind of box shadow effects, how to create this box with the box shadows. So today we are going to learn in this video. So let's start. Let's create a new file, give a name box shadows, and now here we are going to use internal style CSS because code is not very big. So let's create an internal style CSS as a style tag. Inside the style tag we write the internal style CSS. Now let's give background color to our page as a body background color. So let's create a div. Let's give the class name box shadows. Copy this name. Class start with the dot operator, so let's give the dot and then the class name we have given. So I'll just fast forward it.
नए रास्ते चले हम, नई राहें बढ़े हम, नए सपने बुने हम, खटी मीठी बातों पे हंसे हम। कोई पूछे जो मुझसे, बोलूं मेरा सब यहीं, कोई आगे न पीछे, लम्हे में है बस हमें।
Box shadows, here we are going to give two kind of box shadow from this diagonally, from left and from top minus and then right and bottom. So just see the
खामोश लम्हे भी गुनगुनाए, खामोश लम्हे भी गुनगुनाए, बिन कहे बातें यूं चलती जाए, ये दिन शामों में ढलते जाए, हवाएं जुल्फों में।
and now we have done here. So let's save this file, open in the browser and refresh the browser. Now see, this one is gone minus because we have given here minus, and plus one is this one, this sides of the plus. So that's it. We have done how to create this kind of shadow. So it's very simple. Let's give here name box shadows by OctaCoder, and let's give it inside the h2. Save this file. Let's give style to h2 tag, text align center, position relative top 30%. Save this file, refresh the browser, let's give 50%. So that's it guys. Now you know how to create this kind of box shadows. This is very simple, like 20 lines code. Now you'll learn how to make this box shadow. So here we have created all four sides of box shadows, and this concept is also called as neumorphic box shadows, neumorphism. This is nowadays people calling neumorphism, but it's just a box shadow concept, as you can see. So this is a great user interface. It looks really good. That's it guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and comment down below if you have any queries, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.